How to install a tower skirt. First, lower the lift ring to the ground. Second, fix the skirt to the ring using rods. Here's a drawing of your tower. The ring is lowered to the bottom. There's those little ears with the cables attached. Those ears also have holes, so the rod will slide through the hole, through the skirt, and into the other side, fixing the skirt to the ring. Once that's done on all four sides, raise the ring and skirts. Then you'll tape the edge of the skirt to the reel. The reel is up at the top of the tower. It's permanently fixed to the tower. You want to make sure that the skirt should unroll toward the tower. We have a photo right here to show you what that would look like. And then you'll unroll the tarp off of the rod onto the reel, remove the rods, and when you're ready, you'll zip tie, lowering each side equally, zip tying as you go. And that's it. Tower skirt installed.